Are you wondering what is included in our perfect maintenance cleaning? Hi, I'm Heather, one of the client concierges at Executive Maids. Executive Maids offers the perfect maintenance cleaning package, a recurring service that ensures a clean and sanitized home. This comprehensive package includes bathroom and kitchen surface cleaning, furniture wiping, dusting of baseboards, blinds, and ceiling fans, as well as vacuuming and cleaning of all floors. The attention to detail in this service leaves homes spotless, meaning you will never have to clean your home unless there's an accidental spill. It's important to note that this package is not suitable for first-time customers or those who haven't had a deep cleaning or professional cleaning within the past 2 months. Give us a call to discuss your home and your cleaning needs and any questions or concerns you may have about hiring a professional cleaning service, because we are here to help you.